Yo, what's good, guys? Another video here. Today we got the one and only Sean Locke. RIP, man. Again, I always say it. Bro, I'm mad I didn't know who this guy was when he was alive, because genuinely, he is slowly becoming one of my favorite, like, UK comedians that you guys have introduced me to. Like, between him, Jimmy, and Frankie. Like, these are definitely the top three. But, yeah, man. Either way, let's get to it. Before we do me a favor, go in the comments, comment what we should watch next. Most thumbs up comment will be uploaded soon. Let's get it.
I just had another child.
Also,
baby.
I always forget to say, if I get 100K, I'll go skydiving for the end of the year. Not gonna happen, but I just say it because, yeah.
Another child. Yeah. She's baby. Another child. Yeah. She's she's adorable, and I don't usually show pictures of my children, but I just wanted to.
What the actual fuck?
Rachel, you must get recognised by your fans all the time. Do you ever wish you could sort of fly under the...
Nah, wait in this cinnamon toast. Fuck. Why? Tell me why the hell they put this man's face.
My favourite time of the year is when I just get to go skiing and you haven't got to do your hair and makeup, you haven't got to have all that awkwardness. Just put your helmet on, put your snood on, no makeup, it's great. And actually I've brought my skiing stuff with me actually, if I just make myself more comfortable.
I'm pretty sure I would recognise you in skiing gear.
So I've got a beard and Viking horns. And this is kind of my look. So much more comfortable and it's warm. And you just don't have to have that awkward social, like, is that you, is it not, how's Jimmy?
I'm already giggling because I know what's coming.
Wank.
Oh, sorry. I thought I'd make a lovely countdown casserole. Slow cooked it, and it's basically...
What is this, Bake Off? What was that?
All the ingredients are letters of the alphabet. So in it, it's got apple, bovril, coriander. Then I thought, Vimto. Then a whelk, just one. Then I thought, why not an extra whelk? Yogurt and just a little zest. Little zest of lemon. And here it is. And I'm going to have a whelk on top. Do you want a whelk?
Oh, goodness no. I've never seen a whelk before, in all honesty.
Well, I've got about 30 there.
I'd pay £10 for a charity of your choice if you ate all of them in a row.
£10?
What was your magic number to eat all the whelks?
Do it for £10,000, Jimmy.
Just to see. Look at checking with the gallery whether we can.
Banker say?
Huh?
What does the banker say?
Definitely yes.
Yeah, go on.
What?
Yeah, do it.
My man just made 10K to eat some... I don't give a fuck how nasty the food... 10K? You kidding me? Yeah, done. I guess it's... He said it's going to charity, though, so I guess he didn't make the... But still, bro, make 10K for somebody just for eating the food. You fucking kidding me?
Whether we can.
Banker say?
Huh?
What does the banker say?
Definitely yes.
Yeah, go on.
What?
Yeah, do it.
I was about to puke.
You sure?
The look on his face.
What?
Well, they're quite chewy.
I can't speak for everyone, but I'm happy to sit it out. It'd be easier if I fed you, Sean. And then you can just put all your effort into the chewing, you don't have to hold it.
This is really backfire! Last year was the year of the Ice Bucket Challenge.
Of course, huge.
And personally wasn't that impressed. You know, a bit of cold water on you doesn't really make any difference. So I've come up with a new craze I want to pass on, raise money, And it's the cat litter challenge.
Oh, fuck that. Oh, fuck no.
Well, you're not actually going to do, are you? Why would you do that?
Oh, Jesus. Ready?
Oh,
1,
no fucking
2,
way.
3. Anyway, I'll just stand for it. Any wet wipes?
No, sure. No, you've made your bed. You will lie in it.
He did not. He just put cat litter on. Why? Nobody made him do that. This dude just willingly dumped a litter box full of cat shit on him. Willingly. Nobody forced him. He didn't lose a bed. He didn't lose no job. None of that. Bro, we had to pay him $10K to eat some fucking food, but I'll just go and drop some cat shit on him for free. How's that work? The fuck? Sean, man, you know what? One of a kind, right? One of a kind. Because I know damn well I ain't doing that. I don't give a fuck. Maybe for $10K, but that's about it.
Anyway, I'll just stand for it.
It's the reason that dogs are better than cats. Because guess what? My dog doesn't shit in a litter box. He goes outside. What the fuck?
Any wet wipes?
No, sure. No, you've made your...
God damn. What the fuck? I'm probably gonna have to cut that out because that car's engine was so loud. But I shit you not, somebody's driving around in like what looked to be like an old like 08, not even that, early 2000s definitely. I'm gonna say like 08, 07 Impala. But that ain't no goddamn stock engine in that Impala, I'll tell you that right now. Ain't no fucking way. Definitely not the exhaust at the very least, but I don't know if you guys heard that, but that thing, oh god damn. I kind of want to ride in it now, but that's beyond the point.
Anyway, I'll just stand for it.
This dude.
Any wet wipes?
No, sure. No, you've made your bed.
Yeah,
you lie in it.
damn right.
You sit there in your cat shit and think about what you've done.
Exactly.
I mean, you've had some crazy ideas.
I've got it all down my trousers now.
What did our production...
Is this dude seriously?
To you when you said, I need... What are you doing?
Is this dude fucking seriously?
Sean, can you just pop your mic on?
I don't know where it's gone.
Check. Well, it's probably...
I've stuffed it down.
Imagine some poor sound man's listening to it. That is bollock.
I'll take responsibility for this. Other than the financial aspect, Jimmy. Thank you.
I can't believe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know we need to move on. We're on a different clip. I'm sorry. But I actually can't believe what I just watched. Dude. This dude willingly poured cat shit. Listen, he's just a different breed. I'm gonna move on, even though that's gonna be in my mind all day now. I promise you. I'm gonna be reliving that moment in my head.
That is bollock.
I'll take responsibility for this. Other than the financial aspect, Jimmy. Thank you. Okay, what's next? We'll keep doing this.
You gotta pay him $10K to do that, but cat shit's
nice.
fair game.
Oh, they were a lot nicer than 100 whelks. And the aftermath.
We're sharing a room.
I'm gonna be completely honest, my fat ass does not really know what a whelk is, so if y'all want to enlighten me on what the fuck a whelk is, let me know, but it can't be worse than cat shit.
Sean, you're gonna be very sick. You're not.
I like it.
John and Greg.
You're gonna be very sick. Just giving them more.
To shit yourself and not have raised any money to charity.
Sure, what did Miles just say? Ready?
Sean, why don't you open up the curtains and I'll let the sun in?
Sean, if you could bring something extinct back to life, what would it be?
Well, glad you asked me, Jimmy. First off, I thought, oh, I'd like to do Jurassic Park, but make it safe. I'd take all their teeth and nails out. Tyrannosaurus Rex with no teeth would just be like,
I have seen this clip before. I remember this clip. I've seen this before. Not gonna spoil it because someone yelled at me in the comments for that, and they had a good point. But I've seen this clip before. Get a flip off a T-Rex.
Then I had a brilliant idea. If I could reanimate something, I'd reanimate all the leaders of the Nazi Party, all the top Nazis.
Just leave it there.
Sean up, everyone. Sean up, everyone. That's the end of his career. Roisin.
No.
The best TV show ever. Wait, fuck, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yell at me.
Would you say you have a broad vocabulary?
We can't, it's just the end of Sean's career, it doesn't matter. He's had a wonderful career, years in the business, and then he brought back the Nazis. Roisin, would you say you've got a broad vocabulary?
I like putting them all on an island.
Sorry, who?
Put all the Nazis, the top Nazis, put them on an island and then film it.
Oh.
And people would love that, wouldn't it? And you go like, oh,
I would watch the fuck out of that shit.
Got any fish today?
Nah. Anybody who says they would not watch Nazi Island is just lying. Like, I don't care. I would watch the fuck out of this. That would be the next series of my YouTube channel. Okay, the two TV shows we'd be watching is Still Game and Nazi Island. I don't give a shit. I don't even care if I get negative views every video I do. I'm watching that. If I get negative views, I probably won't record it, but I'll watch it. God damn it!
Put them on an island and then film it.
Who wouldn't watch that?
And people would love that, wouldn't it? And you go like, oh, Goebbels hasn't caught any fish today. Hitler's very hungry.
Oh my god!
Yeah. If anything, it got worse after I stopped you. It got so much worse. Now Goebbels just want to send him fishing on a desert island. I want to take the Nazis, I want to reanimate them and put them in paradise. It's what they deserve.
No, they don't get any supplies. They got to fend for themselves.
Has this show got a name?
Yeah, Nazi Island.
This is actually, it's been...
Like, I would watch the shit out of it. It's basically like Survivor. I think that's the show, right? Where you get, like, ditched on... the guy gets ditched on different places and has to live. It's basically that, but just on a fucking small island with a bunch of Nazis. And I'd watch the shit out of it. I don't care. If you wouldn't watch it, you're lying.
In the family for years. This is a... I've had it since I was very young. My granddad gave me this.
The there was a guest speaker at the school that I taught at, and it was the ex-champion boxer Chris Eubank. He very kindly came in for nothing to inspire the children, and he did a 3.5-hour lecture to them.
Oh, great.
It was unusual, and it consisted of him telling some loose anecdotes, but he interspersed them with very aggressive poems. I realised afterwards, I didn't think I could do impressions. I've never been able to do impressions. That I can do an incredible impression of Chris Eubank. Because he inspired me that day, I've realised that classic works of literature sound better through Eubank's voice.
What a wonderful treat for us all.
I thought I'd present some to you. And before I do, I would tell you that my agent and every member of production I've spoken to on this show has made it very clear they think this is a terrible idea.
Nice.
It was the best of times.
What the? What the hell?
Please, a little bit of culture, please.
It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness. Thank you very much.
Bruh.
You
Why?
sound like one of the Compare the Meerkats. If Chris Eubank was here, he wouldn't be offended. That's how bad it is.
Say, you know what, Greg? Say pugilist a few times. That
gets me in right.
That's his key word.
I wasn't a fighter, I was a pugilist. Are you talking to me? You, who the hell are you talking to?
You sound like a villain in Danger Mouse.
I know what you're thinking.
It's one of the worst impressions ever.
I know what you're thinking. Did he fire 6 shots or 5?
He sounds like Dr. Doofenshmirtz from fucking Phineas and Ferb. I want to hear him scream, "Damn you, Perry the Platypus!"
I kind of lost track myself.
Like, that's what he sounds like.
You have to ask yourself one question. Do you feel lucky? What do you think? My name is Maximus.
What the?
Very good. I'm so sorry, it's so unprofessional.
What you're doing is unprofessional.
You
call that professional?
I mean, literally 2 hours ago I was speaking to my agent and he went, I don't know, Greg, is it that good, your impression?
Do you want to play along for fun, sort of personal battle?
Nah, seriously though, with that, I can't unhear like the Phineas and Ferb. Like, if you don't know who that is, then honestly, I don't know how the hell you don't. You must either be really old, not even really old, like you just must not be in my generation, or you're too young. So yeah, but regardless, that's what he sounds like. I don't care. Tell me I'm wrong in the comments below. After this video, I'm gonna go listen to his voice and see if I'm right. But I swear that's what I'm hearing.
To my agent, and he went, I don't know, Greg, is it that good, your impression?
Do you want to play along for fun, sort of personal battle between us?
No, I'm fine.
You could play for Claude.
Why would I do that? 'Cause I've already got him. Just check. I would have got
Are you playing along with Miles for fun?
but not for Claude, no.
Oh, right. Oh, fuck it, money. A grand?
Tell you what. I won't spit on you when we're having sex tonight.
I remember this one too. I like saying the Eclipse I remember because, again, I don't like being a fake. Like, I want to like let you guys know, hey, this isn't the genuine first time I've watched this particular clip. You know, you get me, right? Because I don't know why, but I don't want to be fake. I want to keep it real.
Without a spit.
I'm wiping the tear out my eye. Oh, Sean's just very kindly offered not to spill my guests.
That's a nice thing.
No.
You say I'm not a nice guy. I do.
You know what? That's right. Very
You
kind
won
of
last
him.
week. Could you do it again?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
You sound very confident there, Sean.
No, I won last week, and you know, might win again. Doesn't matter though, does it? It's only a fucking teapot.
Yo, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I don't know, comment root beer. Either way, we're out. Give me fat ass like, comment, subscribe. If we hit 100K before the end of the year, I'll go skydiving. And you know what? Let me know if you made it to the end of the video. Do you want to watch me like react to full episodes of 8 out of 10 Cats? Would you be interested in that, or do you want me to just stick to like watching some compilations from it and stuff? Either way, we're out.